Alright, stop scrolling. This $140 robot vac actually mops with electronic water control. The ROPVACNIC S1. Let's test it out. So right off the bat, this is not your grandma's mop. We got 4 different water levels here. Light for footprints, medium for general cleaning, and high for when things get really sticky. And if you have pets, this one's for you. No roller to snag their hair, and speaking of hair, check out how much fur it picked up after just one pass. The suction power is pretty strong too. It's got 4,000 PA of suction, but don't worry, it doesn't sound like a jet engine taking off. It's only around 60 decibels. One more thing, you can schedule it to run when you're not home. It'll avoid obstacles, and when it needs to recharge, it'll just head back to base. It takes around 3 hours to fully charge, and you can expect it to run for about 120 minutes per charge. Speaking of charges, it's super easy to use. You can use the app, the remote, or just use your voice, Alexa or Google. Now, I can set it to vacuum mode, change the suction power, or I can switch to mop mode and even pick the amount of water. Now look, it's not perfect. It doesn't have LiDAR to map your home or a self-empty base. That stuff usually costs a lot more. So this is great for people who want a robot vac and mop for under 150 bucks. Just make sure your expectations are in check. It's not going to be perfect. To sum it up, it's got strong suction, a nice low profile so it can fit under things, and an electronically controlled mop. It's built well and performs admirably for the price. If you want a robot, vacuum, and mop for under 150 bucks, this is a solid option. Link and coupon in the description. Price can change. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button, because it helps me make more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Specs price as of recording. Performance varies by home.